In this video, we'll show you how to download music to a USB drive step by step. To get started, we'll go to the website where we want to download the music, always making sure we're using content that we're legally allowed to download, such as copyright-free music or our own files. Once we find the song we want to download, we'll click Share and copy the link. Now we'll open a video and audio converter, such as 4K Video Downloader, which is the one I'll be using in this tutorial. I'll leave the download link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once we're inside the program, we'll paste the link we just copied and adjust the settings shown on the screen. If the page contains a video, we can choose to download only the audio and select the MP3 format. Once the download is complete, we'll find the files in the folder we selected to store our music. Now it's time to connect the USB drive to the computer. Once Windows has detected it, we'll simply open the folder where we saved the songs and copy all the files we want to transfer to the USB drive. One small tip: if you're going to use the USB drive in a speaker, car, or another device without a screen, it's recommended to leave the files directly in the root of the USB drive, rather than creating additional folders. This makes it much easier for the device to detect and play the files correctly. And that's it. As you can see, transferring music to a USB drive is a very simple process and only takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.